So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a you versus them current energy check-in. Ignore the shore as I'm ignoring it because it's here, right here. Okay, so this is not a time any time limit kind of reading. It's timeless. It's just current energy check-in, your side, their side, where the connection is going, and the universal guidance for you guys. Okay. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So the roles can be reversed also. And please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay. See? When you just start loving everything around you, everything starts settling down itself, but it will start for sure again. But let's say enjoy the dance, the beauty, the I don't know. Osho's eye. This is Osho's eye. Okay. This is Osho. This is Osho's eye. First. Let's see. We have the Six of Swords, Eight of Cups, and the Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. You're done with the commitment here. You are done. Because these are three cards. Queen of Swords is like, I don't give a crap anymore about their existence, about their breathing, about what they are up to. You're pissed off, you're angry, you are done. You are like, I'm done, goodbye. Okay, cool. And when it comes to this energy of, you can say, surface level energies or conscious level energies, you are choosing your peace over everything or everyone else, and you are completely in this detachment mode or walking away kind of a mode from a commitment. Now, for some of you, if you guys are already married to each other, committed to each other, living in the same house, maybe there is a rift going on right now, and you are just trying to keep yourself at a safe distance because you don't want any more drama or chaos or conflict. That's it. Okay. I don't see somebody breaking somebody's heart and they're never going to talk to each other. They're like, fuck you and fuck you, and I'm not never going to see your face and just go die. No, it's not like that. Maybe the fight was like that, but I do see you detaching yourself from the situation for the time being and maintaining the peace, or trying to be at peace with yourself at least, because you're angry and you don't want to operate from anger, and that's actually a good thing. We should never operate from anger. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to. I have the Emperor, the Chariot, the Four of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Cups. Yeah, this is so this is somebody who is emotionally all over the place. They are emotionally in this energy of, I don't know what I want, I don't know what I'm saying, I don't know how I'm going to manage it, I don't know how I'm going to handle it. It's like somebody's having mood swings all the time. Maybe they are pregnant, or something like hormonal imbalance. Just a thought. Okay, not like every woman who's pregnant behaves like that, or who is having hormonal imbalance behaves like that. But maybe this might be the specific reason for some of you. For some of you, for others of you, it's like this person is emotionally confused, like, why the hell are they here in this situation? What is happening? Okay, they are trying to sit in their power, they are trying to move on from the situation, they are trying to move on from the situation, not from you, and they're still holding on to something that they should not be holding on to. And then they are like, what the hell is happening, what should I do? I'm not able to let go, I'm not able to stick around. You guys are pissed off with each other, and both of you are right now in this energy of, I don't want to see their face, I don't want to see their face, but you do, both of you. That's what's happening in the current energies from both the sides. What is happening? Why? And this person is all over the place, and they're super confused, not able to understand what the actual heck is happening. They're still holding on to this connection, this bond, like dear life. This is very important for them, so nobody's going anywhere, but both of you are like, yeah, we are leaving, goodbye. No, I don't think so, honey. You're lying to each other and to yourselves. These are just current energy check-ins, please keep that in mind. Okay, so for the connection, let's see what we have. Okay, before proceeding further, let me invite you guys for my 10 days Osho Meditation Festival That's happening from 5th till the 14th of July, online, live, 4:30 till 5:30 in the evening. Maybe it will go up to 6, because we talk a lot, we share our experiences. I am going to teach you 10 different Osho meditations that are life changing, that are totally different from the usual meditations that you guys do on your day to day basis. Okay, and it's a lot of fun, lot of laughter, lot of dancing, lot of silence. Everything is mixed up, and mix and match of all these things. And I'm going to teach you 5 Vigyan Bhairav Tantra meditation techniques also, that you can use in your day to day life for self realization and peace, and 1 or 2 breathing exercise for calming down your nervous system while you're anxious or stressed out. This is going to be a power packed meditation workshop for 10 days that have the capacity to help you start your healing journey on a deeper level. Okay, so if you want to start or restart your healing journey or spiritual journey, or want to enter into Osho's world, this is a fantastic opportunity. If you want to see the first batches reviews, it's in the community post, you can check that out, or you can check my Instagram ID at the rate Prem Singh Yogita. The reviews are there also. Okay, and the link is in the description box to apply for the same. The fees is 5100 for Indians, and for others it's 300 USD. It's quite affordable for 10 days workshop. And what else, every other detail is given below. You just have to click on the link to purchase, to book your slot for the 10 days meditation festival, and you will be given all the instructions and everything. Read them properly, because the fees is non-refundable. Okay, so I'll see you on the other side. Very, very excited. I'm going to do it for the rest of my life, Cappies. So you guys can start your spiritual journey with me, and nobody knows where we are going to land. Okay, so you are more than welcome to join me on my journey. We guys can share the journey with each other. Okay, let's see. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, the Four of Cups for the situation, death. So this is transforming. This situation is transforming. Huge transformation, huge changes, huge shifts are coming in this dynamics. This is not the same as it used to be, and both of you know, on a deeper level, this is never going to be the same as it used to be. It has a complete different version now. Now the different version can be good, can be bad, can be neutral, I don't know, but this is totally different from what it used to be. Okay, so I do see this situation is going to go through some kind of ups and downs, some kind of confusions and disappointments, but still this situation have a very strong potential to be successful and victorious, especially if you guys are married or committed to each other from quite long time now, at least 2 years or so, right? So this situation can go somewhere in a beautiful and positive way, as long as you guys are not going to take these roadblocks or obstacles or challenges too seriously and make it a matter of your ego, right? A lot of people do that, so try not to make it like something that you cannot let go of. You can, it's easy in the sense when you are with somebody for that much long, and if this is something that is not a big deal, until unless it's not a very big deal, like something that is going to change you forever, I think you guys can manage it and handle it, both of you. So this situation does have potential. There's nothing in the situation that's telling me, oh my god, this is disaster. No, it's actually good. But yes, you guys have to remove the on and off, in and out, and disappointment or disappointments. Maybe having realistic expectations from each other can help. Let's see the guidance here. We have the Hanged Man and the Page of Pentacles and the Star. Yep. Try to see the situation from the other person's perspective and point of view too. And then try to start from the scratch with this knowledge and understanding that this is what the other person is going through. This is what they're feeling about the situation. And remain positive, optimistic, and open to the idea of, changing your own energies to according to the situation, according to the connection. That is going to help you guys a lot in creating your own reality, creating the happiness that you guys are looking forward to have in this dynamics. That is definitely going to help you guys a lot. So instead of doing me, try to understand the other person's point of view and energies too, and then try to put yourself in their shoes, and then start from the start maybe. Yeah, that is going to help you guys a lot. It's for both of you actually, but mostly for you, because you are Capricorn here. You are watching this reading, so watch for the cross watcher energy also, so help them. Yep, so thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.